Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 console to an older television. The first crucial step is understanding the difference in connection types. Most older TVs use composite or component inputs, typically labeled with red, white, and yellow for composite, or red, green, and blue for component. Your modern PS5, however, only outputs via HDMI. We will bridge this gap, ensuring you can enjoy your games, even on a classic display. To bridge the connection, you will primarily need an HDMI to RCA converter. This device takes the digital HDMI signal from your PS5 and translates it into an analog signal your old TV can understand. Make sure to get an active converter that requires a separate power source, as passive cables usually do not work. You will also need your original HDMI cable for the PS5 and the classic red, white, and yellow RCA cables to connect to your television's input ports. Now, let's connect everything. Begin by taking your HDMI cable and plugging one end firmly into the HDMI output port on the back of your PS5. The other end of this HDMI cable should then be connected to the HDMI input port on your video converter box. Finally, connect the red, white, and yellow RCA cables from the converter's output directly into the matching colored input ports on your television, making sure the colors align correctly for video and audio. Now, let's test the heater circuit within the O2 sensor. Set your multimeter to the resistance setting, represented by the omega symbol. Connect the red and black leads to the two wires responsible for the heater element. These are usually the same color. A functioning heater circuit should display a reading between 1 and 5 ohms. An out-of-range or infinite reading indicates a bad heater.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.